a lot of you guys here. We're so grateful. If you have a blue wristband, you're the first group to come into the store. And you get steady and nice and with a Disney attitude, okay? And then if you haven't already, please join our virtual queue. There's more around the area. And then you sign up and then you line up on this other side. We'll let you guys in. This is 10:50 before your time. You'll join the queue. Oh, how's everyone doing? Helpers. We need some helpers to help you open some of the dots.